Just want to make a quick video. Let's say you're one of my clients and you have these customers and you provide a service and you have a fee that you charge. What I normally do is create a spreadsheet and we keep track of this easily. And then I transfer it into QuickBooks and Bookkeeper or whatever software you're using. Or I take your books and I put it into an Excel sheet. And this is just an example of one of the ways or one of the things I do. And for those who want to learn how to transfer numbers through a sheet, and I'll show you what I mean by that. As you see, this number here is 185. So you're going to have to pay attention. And this number here is 185. Alright. Let's go back. Alright, this is the sheet. And so we do want to go through here and delete some things. You always want to be careful about what you're pressing. You don't want to delete. Let's clear the format. Merge. Now it's back nice and pretty. Almost. One more thing. Alright, now I'm done. A little picky. Alright. It don't matter if that feel good. Once you start something, you kind of know. Now, let's go back. I'm going to show you something. Alright, and see how that number changed. It doesn't have a formula in there. Okay? And I'm going to show you, I think I've shown this video once before. I'm just going to go ahead and do it again. Yeah. What do you want to do? Not delete it. We want to just, that. And a 0. Because if you do, you're going to mess up my formula. Don't do that. If you're one of my clients, don't do that. And just mess up my formula. And the numbers are going to be off. And we're going to have to figure out how that happened. And I'm normally going to figure it out. I don't know how quickly, but now I figured it out. Let's come back. And now you see I'm back to 0. Let's go in here and enter. Let's say we cut somebody's hair, and when we got done with that person, Miss Janet, she looking more like Miss Janet Jackson. Mr. Gerald came through here. He got a little expensive, but just normal price. Same thing here. Fades, he came through with special dreadlocks. Let's see him. Alright, I really don't know how much dreadlocks cost to go, but I don't have dreadlocks, okay? And good shot. Let's see. Mr. Gerald Jr. We're gonna pay about, I don't know, $12. My son's hair is $20, so I don't know if everybody pays that, but I pay it. Sometimes a little bit more, a little bit less. So if you were paying attention, you saw that all of those numbers changed and added up down here. So what that formula is basically is this. You don't really have to close it up at the end. You can just press enter. Okay? And so if you were paying attention, these numbers were all zeros also. There's formulas over here. And if you can guess what I'm about to say, these are all formulas down here. Right? So these are just estimates, these are just examples, this is just something I did to show my work. I believe in showing my work. Once you get me in the office, there's really not a lot of talking unless I got a few questions. And, you know, that's basically it. That's what this is for. Let's go down here and look at things. So I just wanted to, just because we're in here and I got your attention, just if I wanted to transfer some more numbers without, you know, having to physically do it over and over, is what I would do. Alright. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit subscribe down below because I enjoy making these videos, and I hope that it helped you in some way. Thank you.